speaking about how does one. I said everything is by our adhikar, by our qualification from our purva janam. What? Because the disciple is saying, I mean, not disciple, could be possible, but devotee was saying that if you, by chance, someone surrenders to a guru that's not very learned and doesn't really speak according to the Shastra, speaks so many things, but they're from his own ideas and not backed by the Shastra, will that disciple who has blind faith in the guru, they have blind faith in guru and they're just doing devotion to Krishna, will they attain the perfection? And I was saying yes, because actually the arrangement is with Krishna. And Krishna will reciprocate because the shishya is correct. The guru may not be correct or pakka. He's not speaking according to Shastra. He's not speaking the correct siddhanta. So the guru is at fault, but there's no fault with the disciple. The disciple's serving, and he's enthusiastic and all these qualities. He's serving not perfectly qualified guru. So Krishna will, because the whole basis of success in bhakti is haritoshan, satisfaction. So if Krishna is pleased, did you surrender to a guru? Yes, this person said, I'm a guru, and he's taking shishya. So we're discussing, because you're doing everything, or listen, you, but say that the disciple who has a guru like this, he's done everything right. He's surrendered to guru. Krishna says in Gita and Mahabharata, everywhere surrender to guru, take guru, atma samarpan. Surrender to guru. So I'm doing that. So by chance I got this not such a perfect guru. Why? Why does one disciple get a very perfect guru, another disciple doesn't get such a perfect guru? It's because of adhikar. It's because of qualification. There's a lakshana or qualification of the guru and the disciple. So a very, very good, very, very highly qualified disciple will get a highly qualified guru. So it's part of why I don't have such a pakka guru is because I don't, by my karmic store, by my prabdha karma, I didn't qualify, I didn't deserve. And I said, what is a verse that shows this idea of who's meeting who and who's attaining which guru or whatnot? And it's right from 1861 Gita. Ishvara sarvabhutanam ridesh arjuna tishtati brahmayan sarvabhutani yantrudaya mayaya. So I was explaining that this yantra, this body, this physical human body, man, woman, is a yantra. Means it's a machine with systems and organs and the visual system and digestive system and nervous system. So I said that every machine works according to a software. There's you make the software program and the computer will operate this way. It won't operate outside the program. So this body has a software program which is determined, the software program is our prabdha karma. So it's Paramatma, the software program is sitting with Paramatma. Ishvara sarvabhutanam, ridesh arjuna tishtati. Tishtati, Paramatma is sitting, placed in the stan inside the heart. He says, oh, what is your software? Oh, you're a kind of a bogus devotee. You're not so pakka devotee. So you get this not so pakka guru. So I direct you there. Oh, Jai Guru Dev. So you get a Guru Dev. So that's your fortune. Or that's the person's fortune. And then if they do more bhakti and Krishna's more pleased, then he directs them to another guru. I remember once I was in Radha Damodar temple, I was living there in 89 to 92 in Prabhupada's kitchen, serving, and someone came and I was speaking to them and they said, oh, I've been a couple of weeks in Vrindavan, I've been hearing so many classes in the temple, and we never heard classes like this in America, in the temples. It's amazing what's being spoken here. And we have a few gurus that come through our temples, and I took this from this guru, but I didn't realize there's so many other gurus. And so I said, that's your fortune. What can I say? You're there, and that's what was the arrangement there, and like that. So, but if you're blessed, you receive guru, and if you're very blessed, you get a very good guru, and that's why there's some mobility. You can move here and there. Depending, if Krishna is pleased and he sees a need or necessity because of your sincerity and your desire to attain the lotus feet of Krishna and Goloka Vrindavan, then Krishna will move you appropriately as he moved you, as he's directing all the machines. He said, okay, you went there, now you have more adhikar, now you go over here and you hear this shiksha from this shiksha guru, or maybe you even take a diksha there and go on further. That Krishna will adjust and arrange all those things. That's the beauty of it. That's the beauty of bhakti. It's so individual and so personal. Because for the devotee, the Paramatma becomes the Ishta Devata. The Paramatma is Chaturbhuj Narayan. But you ask Hanuman, who's in your heart? It's not Chaturbhuj Narayan. Narayan asks, Narayan is Ram, Ram is Narayan. Krishna can become Ram or Narayan, and Ram can become Krishna Narayan. All the Bhagavan, the Bhagavad Tattva. It's Vishnu Tattva. So for Hanuman, he opens his chest, you don't see Narayan, you see Sita Ram. So for the Krishna Bhakta, you open the chest, you don't see you see Radha Krishna. So they're adjusting everything for the devotee. Because bhakti means a reciprocation of love. You love me, I love you. If you love someone, they give you so many gifts. And if you love someone, you give them so many gifts, and they give you so many gifts. The dati pratigrinati bhunkte bhujayate jeva upadeshamrita. So the devotee is trying to love Krishna, so Krishna will make arrangements. Oh, you want to love me? You're very sincere, at least it seems so. So I'll give you an opportunity. Everyone's saying, "Oh, I want a Sadguru. I want a qualified, perfect guru. I want to." Are you a Sad Shishya? Seva. Are you a Sad Shishya? Well, no, I'm a sad Shishya. SAD is such a sad Shishya. Okay? Rasya.